Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a Tip4Serve store for your Gmod server. So let's start by creating a new server. Select the store editor and the server tab. Now add your new game server. I'm going to call it sample Gmod server. Now select the Gmod game. Once this is done, we will have to download the Tip4Serve add-on. Click on the green button to do so. Now open the file. You wanna go now into your add-ons folder of your server here, and what you want to do is just to drag Tip4Serve folder here. Okay, now that we are done, launch the Gmod server. Okay, once your server finished loading, we can start to set it up. So you can close this, and you want to go this time into the Gmod folder, data, and you want to select Tip4Serve. Now you can see you have a config.json. So now what you want to do in your config.json file, you want to paste the key you've got here. You can close this, open your server again, and you should see if everything went fine. This message, server has been successfully connected. And for those of you who want to use permanent command, I'm going to show you how you can do so. First, you want to create a database. So as for my part, I'm using phpMyAdmin, but you can also use other tools for this. I'm going to create a new database, and I'm going to call it Gmod server. Okay, create it. We're almost done. Go back to Gmod, data, Tip4Serve, and config. We're going to start with the connection information. And here is the name of your database. As for me, I gave it the name of Gmod server. Check that everything is okay. Simply open your server again. Okay, so if you see this message, Tip4Serve is connected to MySQLOO, your installation is complete, and now you can start editing your store on tip4serve.com.